Stop scrolling if you want to buy a home in Bowie, Maryland, with little to no money out of pocket, because there's a program that could give you thousands in down payment assistance. But most people never qualify. And it's not because they can't, it's because they don't know how. If you're trying to buy your first home in Bowie, this video is going to break down exactly how to qualify step by step. No fluff, no confusion. Just the real process buyers are using right now. Let's start with the #1 program most buyers in Bowie use, the Maryland Mortgage Program. This is where the real money comes from. To qualify, here's what you need. #1, you must be a first-time homebuyer, meaning you haven't owned a home in the last 3 years. #2, your credit score should be around a 640 or higher, although some lenders will go lower with FHA loans. #3, your income must fall within program limits. But here's the good news. Bowie is in Prince George's County, which has higher income limits than most areas. You also need to buy in Maryland, use an approved lender, and live in the home as your primary residence. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can qualify for low interest rate loans, plus 3% to 6% in down payment assistance. And in some cases, you don't even have to repay that assistance until you sell or refinance. That means you could walk into your first home with way less cash than you think. But here's the step most buyers skip, and it costs them everything. You must complete a homebuyer education course. This is HUD approved, and it is non-negotiable. If you skip this, you don't qualify. Period. Now, let's talk about a hidden gem, the Bowie First program. This is a local grant specifically for buyers purchasing inside Bowie city limits. To qualify, you need to live in the home, complete the homebuyer course, and get approved through a lender first. And here's the best part. You can get about $4,000 in assistance. And yes, you can stack this with the Maryland Mortgage Program. So here's a quick reality check. If your credit score is at least 620 to 640, if your income is within limits, if you haven't owned a home in 3 years, and you plan to live in the home, you're already in a strong position. Now, let's talk about the exact steps to get approved. Step 1, take the homebuyer class first. Step 2, talk to a Maryland Mortgage Program lender. Step 3, get pre-approved. Step 4, apply for down payment assistance. Step 5, work with an agent who understands Bowie programs. And Step 6, find your home and submit your offer. Here's what most people don't realize. You can combine multiple sources of assistance, state programs, Bowie grants, and even seller closing help. Some buyers are getting into homes with very little money up front. If you're serious about buying in Bowie, don't guess your way through this. Follow this process, get the right guidance, and take advantage of these programs before they change. And if you want help getting started, reach out today.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.